I think all of us, all the idols, had a better understanding of renewable energy and the company SINEXCEL. We saw how all works with the solutions and could imagine what it will look like in maybe a few years. I think they make great solutions to secure the future of green energy and get away from coal or gas, because not good for the health of Mother Nature with the CO2, the heating of the world, and with electric energy and 100% green energy you can do a lot of things.
I guess some of them have knowledge in that regard, but I guess most of them will have like new information about renewable energies and what like fun activity to deliver to them. It's like important topic that would be important in the future for all of us. So the earlier they get to know that topic, the better for them.
I mean, the solutions are for the future. So the electricity is the future, and you support it, it's sort of a supply and store it and everything. And I hope that the company rises and that they will spread all in the world, because everyone has to get in this energy future and to get more electricity in their life.
Energy for all!